Is there any unusual noise when feeding paper in the Konica copier's feeder? Let's take a look together. It looks like something is stuck and can't turn. Let's take it apart and check it out. Let's run the paper to see if we can find the problem. Like this position of the cleaning roller. Please look at the specific issues again. Take them apart and have a look. The front cleaning roller feels a bit tight. Put some oil on the bushings. Try again after adding oil. This is normal. The sleeve is a little dry or has rust. Just add some oil. Well, it's time to say goodbye. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Remember to like and follow.